Hello friends, today I will discuss the count tool in Adobe Photoshop. Here is the count tool. Suppose your client asks you to edit a project with numerous figures. Then he can number the figures and classify them into many groups with the count tool for specific instruction of modifications. Here are some options available for this tool. Click on the figure. We can change the color of the marker and number. We can also change the size of the marker and number. Here a group is created for our first number. Now I am going to mark some other figures. All these numbers are under our count group 1. We can rename this group. Now I am going to create another group for other figures. For group 1, we mark these 4 figures in the first row. Now for group 2, I will spot 4 figures from the second row that start from number 1 again. I am changing the color of the marker and number for group 2. And increasing the size. Select group 1. Click on this eye icon. The marker and number of group 1 will be invisible, though group 1 still exists. Click again. The marker and number will be visible. Now select group 2. We can do the same for any group. Select group 1. If we click on clear, all markers and numbers will have deleted under that group. If we want to delete a group, go to that group, then click on the trash icon. This action will delete the group along with its markers and numbers. We can also use the node tool with the count tool, which will be very handy. For the node tool, you can check my earlier tutorial. Thanks for watching.